Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn about the Tipu, okay? About the goat. His name is Tipu. एक गांव में बकरों का एक झुंड था. उनमें से जो बड़ा बकरा था वही उन सब का नेतृत्व किया करता था. Have you understand children? Once upon a time there was a goat and he is the one performing leadership. ओके. सालों बाद उसके मन में यह विचार आया कि अभी यह काम किसी और को सौंप देना चाहिए. नाउ आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग अगो ही हैज थॉट दैट he wants to give his responsibility to other goat and सौंप देना means to hand over. उस झुंड में 4 ऐसे बकरे थे जिनमें नेतृत्व का भार वाहन करने की शक्ति थी. There are 4 goats in his herd who is eligible to take his responsibility. So they can able to carry his responsibility. They can able to bear. Okay, they can able to afford. बूढ़े बकरे ने चारों को बुलाया और कहा, आप चारों को क्रमशः एक दिन के लिए नेता के रूप में काम करना होगा. So what he did children? He called all the 4 goats, okay, and respectively he said to him, you have to take the responsibility as a leader for one day. Okay, let me see who is the best in his way. Kramash means respectively. Vahan means bear, affordable. Okay. Jhund means herd, cow herd, goat herd. Okay. एक ग्रुप को हर्ड कहते हैं, एक ग्रुप ऑफ गोट को हर्ड कहते हैं, उसी को भी झुंड कहते हैं. विचार मीन्स थिंकिंग, ख्याल आया. ओके. नेतृत्व मीन्स लीडरशिप. ओके. बिकॉज he is an old goat, so he has more experience in his life than others. So he is the one who can take the responsibility, who can take the leaderships for others. Okay, so now he is become very old, so he wants to give his responsibility in other shoulders, in others, to others goats. चारों में से जो श्रेष्ठ निकलेगा वही इस झुंड का नेता होगा. चारों ने वैसा ही किया. And he told, the old goat told to them that who is the best, so he can take his responsibility, he can hold his leadership. Okay, so everybody's followed him as he said. 4 दिन के बाद नेता ने फैसला सुनाया, मैंने आप चारों का काम बड़े गौर से देखा. After 4 days he said his results. Okay, he announced his results. He said, I have observed you people, okay, these days. Now I'm going to declare the results. Now I'm going to say about the leadership. Shresht means best. Gaur means observe. Vaisa means like that only. Faisla means decision, judgment. Okay. पहले ने अपनी मनमानी की, दूसरे ने अपने बल पर नहीं, दूसरों के बल पर काम चलाया, तीसरे ने पीठ के पीछे बोलने की आदत से नेता बनने का योग्य नहीं हुआ. पीठ के पीछे बोलने का मतलब है बैक बाइटिंग. ओके. योग्य मीन्स लायक नहीं, लायक. योग्य मीन्स लायक. बल मीन्स फोर्स, स्ट्रेंथ. मनमानी मीन्स बगैर सोचे विचार किए. सो द फर्स्ट गोट इज विदाउट थिंकिंग what is the future of this work, what will be the result of this work. Without his thinking, he took the decision and work. The next goat is दूसरों के बल पर काम किया. Okay, अपने बल पर उसने कुछ नहीं काम किया. तीसरे गोट की आदत थी बैक बाइटिंग की. सो ही इज नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ लीडरशिप. इसलिए मैं चौथे बकरे तीपू को ही नेता घोषण करता हूँ, क्योंकि उसने सबकी बात ध्यान से सुनकर बड़ों की सलाह लेकर अपने मन में विचार विमर्श करके निश्चय किया. घोषण मीन्स डिक्लेयर करना, अनाउंस करना. ओके, विचार विमर्श मीन्स डिस्कशन. ओके, सो ओल्ड गोट told, okay, he declared his decision about the leaderships, about the handover to the leadership, his responsibility. So he selected a Deepu is a goat who can eligible for this position, because he think about this matter and he discuss his thinking, सोच विचार करके he is asking advice from elders. Okay, and then he took the decision for the goodness of the people, goodness of the goat herd. So now he is the eligible for this position. सलाह means advice. वही श्रेष्ठ नेता बन सकता है. सब बकरे नेता से सहमत हुए. What he told the old goat? He told he is the one, he is the best leader, okay, for our herd. Now everybody accepted, agree with his decision. सहमत means agree. दीपू नेता बनकर सबका ख्याल रखने लगा. Now दीपू is taking his responsibility honestly, okay, और सबका ख्याल रखने लगा. Now what is the theme of this story, children? The theme of this story is honesty is the best policy.